how to set reminders notifications on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Tap the gear icon. In settings and privacy and preference section, you can see here the notification. Okay, go to this. In notification, and what notification you receive section, you can see here the reminders. And okay, you can tap this to set. Here in reminders, these are notifications to remind you of updates you may have missed. So okay, you can allow or disallow the reminders notification by switching on and off the switch button on the right side of this allow notification on Facebook. So okay, you can turn off this notification by tap the turn off button. And if you want to turn on again, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And if this turn on, you can set also the where you receive this notification. So there are three, the push, email, and SMS. So you can enable or disable this by switching on or off the switch button on the right side. So for my example, I turn off the push, I turn on the email, and I turn off the SMS. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully set reminders notification on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.